Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Islam Mecca, located in Saudi Arabia, is the holiest city in Islam and the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad. At its heart lies the Kaaba, a cube-shaped structure within Masjid al-Haram, which Muslims worldwide face during prayer. The Kaaba is believed to have been originally built by the Prophet Abraham and his son Ismail, making it a site of profound spiritual significance. Each year, millions of Muslims embark on the Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca, fulfilling one of the 5 pillars of Islam if they are physically and financially able. This pilgrimage includes rituals that honor the devotion and trials of Abraham and his family. The Hajj symbolizes unity, humility, and a life-changing spiritual milestone for those who complete it. Vatican City, Rome, Italy. Christianity, Catholicism, Vatican City, an independent city-state within Rome, is the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. It is home to the Pope, the spiritual leader of Catholics worldwide. St. Peter's Basilica, one of the largest and most beautiful churches globally, is believed to be built over the tomb of St. Peter, one of Jesus' apostles. Visitors are drawn to its breathtaking architecture, including Michelangelo's masterpiece on the Sistine Chapel ceiling. The Vatican serves as a pilgrimage site where Catholics connect with their faith and witness papal blessings. It stands as a symbol of Catholicism's resilience and its rich historical and spiritual heritage.